people, welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious sausage roll. It is very easy to prepare. Just sit down and keep watching. Here I'm going to pour in the 250 ml of warm milk. To it, I add 2 tablespoons of sugar, followed by 7 grams of dry yeast, and 1 egg. Give it a quick stir and set it aside to cool for 7 minutes. In a clean dry bowl, I'm going to pour in 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour as well. To it, I add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I'm going to make a hole in the middle, then pour in the yeast mixture. As you can see, our yeast is very much alive and active. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix both the dry and the wet ingredients together. At this point, I realize it's becoming thicker. Now I use my hands, clean hands. Make sure you wash your hands for this. Pour in 60 grams of melted butter. Continue mixing the dough. At this moment, I transfer the dough to the work surface and keep kneading, like so. I continue kneading until I have a soft elastic bread dough. As you can see, we have achieved that elastic soft dough we are looking for. Form a ball-like shape. In another mixing bowl, I'm going to grease it with the help of my pastry brush. I pour in the vegetable oil or cooking oil. You can use a cooking spray as well. Transfer the dough into the bowl. Make sure that the dough is covered with oil so that it will be moist. I cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside to rest for 30 minutes in a warm environment. It depends on your room temperature. It can be more than 30 minutes until it is double in size. 30 minutes later, here I punch the dough to remove air. Fold it a little bit, then transfer it to the work surface. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the work surface so that it will be easy for us to work with the dough. With the help of the rolling pin, I'm going to flat the dough before I portion it. Keep watching to see how I do it. I'm going to portion the dough into 15 because I have 15 sausage meat. I take each one from a ball-like shape, like so. I repeat the same process until I finish the dough. I cover them with tea towels so that they will not dry. Here I have my baking tray greased and covered with parchment paper. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the work surface. I'm going to work with the dough one after the other. Just keep watching and see how I flatten this dough, shape it, and fill in the sausage meat. As you are doing so, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. You people are so amazing. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for your support. If you're just stopping by, this is your first time, please consider pressing that red button and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Like and share with others. Here I place the sausage at the middle and start shaping it like so. You can give it any shape of your choice. After that, transfer it to the baking tray. I'm going to repeat the same process with the rest of the dough, then I'll be right back. Once I am done, I'm going to apply the cooking spray. You can apply cooking oil of your choice, just to make sure that the dough is not dry. Now cover it with plastic wrap. After that, I'm going to set them aside to rest for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. I will give this ones another shape. After shaping them, this is how it looks like. I apply the cooking spray, cover it as well with the plastic wrap, and set it aside to rest for 20 minutes. For egg wash, in here I have 1 egg. To eat, I add 1 teaspoon of milk and mix them well. With the help of my pastry brush, I'm going to apply the egg wash. Finally, sprinkle the sesame seed and transfer it to the preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. "20 minutes later, voila! Our sausage rolls are ready. Look at it, looking yummy in a golden brown. This is the moment of truth. You can give this recipe a try. If you like this video, just give me a thumb up. Comment and share my video. Till next time, stay healthy and remain blessed. Bye for now.